I'm Marie Hand and I'm Production Supervisor. I started working for Kensa on the 4th of December 2006, so 15 years, as a production operative, and I'm progressing now to be mentored by Paul Evely as a manager. Lots. Been a few. For me personally, it's the people. The team I have is amazing. Kensa as a team is pretty awesome. The challenge, definitely, at the moment, especially with COVID, but we've got there. And like I said, the team I have is pretty amazing. And we're very fortunate that the way the climate is at the minute, that we're still growing extremely quick. The challenge, even though I run the day-to-day of production, you still don't know what you're going to come into. Managing the people. I have morning meetings every day and tell them what we're doing and where we're going. And seeing my team motivated and happy does make me proud. Like I said, they're completely different. They look after you. They have so many benefits for you even when you first start. They have incentives for you. They're just like a family. They're always there, no matter who you want to speak to. You know, from the CEO down MD, managers, whatever, they're always there. And they always try to give you opportunities. If you want to grow, if you want to progress, they will help you to do that. And I think if you want a good job with good pay and you want to progress within a company, I think Kensa is that company.